I help both lesbian couples who obviously, they're two women, so they cannot make children. And there are also some single women who contacted me, who told me that they had very bad relationships with men, they've been abused, and that's why they wanted to have a baby, but without a man.
And I am a sperm donor to Jessel, actually.
Success sperm donor here in Philippines.
13.
That's a lot.
That's a lot, yeah.
Many more.
I'm very busy.
How old are you again?
28.
Sa Imus siya ngayon. So, kung
Cavite.
Imus Cavite.
In China. Cavite, China. This is part of China. Yes.
Ironing, iron the clothing. What is the best place to do this?
At
A flat surface,
Yeah.
right? You need a flat surface. So the best place to iron the clothing is the boobs of a Pinay. The boobs of a Pinay. The very flat surface, very flat. Or the ass of a Pinay, the ass. Very flat.
funny.
Very flat surface.
How many money did I ask from you? Tell me.
No.
How much did I ask?
Yes. 50,000 pesos.
No, I asked you zero.
Hindi siya nagpapabayad. It's free, lahat free.
Yeah. How much money did I ask you? How much money did I ask you? How much did I ask you?
Zero.
Yeah. Exactly zero. I charged them zero. Zero.
Wala, as in wala.
Oh, the success rate of artificial insemination that we're doing is about 25%.
Para magkaroon sila ng buong pamilya.
Hi! Thankful kami doon sa group na yon kasi doon niya namin nakita si Anthony.
Ang Semilla, libreng binigay sa kanila ng Dutchman na si Anthony. Tanging ginastos lang nila ay ang transportation, equipment, at accommodation ni Anthony habang ginagawa ang mag-partner na si Dylan at Manilyn sa mga natulungan ni Anthony para magkaroon ng buong pamilya siya at para ma-monitor kung sino-sino at kamusta ang mga bata. Sa huli, hindi masama ang maghangad ng anak. Every baby is a blessing, ika nga.